Okay, we are out here. I'm looking at a property. This is going to be for one of my buyers, not an investment property, but I think you're going to love this property. It is hot, just got on the market. It's going to sell quickly. So I want to make a quick offer today, get this under contract, but I did a walkthrough and you're going to see why I love this property. Now, again, this is not an investment. This is for somebody that's going to buy to live in it. But nonetheless, it is a beautiful property. And we're going to start from the exterior of the property. As you can see, two-story unit. But from the very beginning, as soon as you get to the front of it, they have this little zen area here. This is a screen-in sitting area that, you know, when the weather's cool and you don't have the AC on, you can open these doors. These are sliders that open wide open to get air inside the property. As soon as you walk in, for me the floor is beautiful, but the decor, right? Look what they did with the curtains. The piping, really nice, beautiful fans. You've got the hi-hats. Check this out here in front of the table, or the lighting for the table. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you like the style of decor. I personally love it. This is the kitchen open concept, right? So you have this sink here, but you also have that sink on this side, which there's the step. I don't know why the computer, but nonetheless, it's this sink area is pretty cool. Here you have a shower. This is going to lead to the back, so I'll show you the back and the reason why this is here. But look at the fan. This, by the way, it's what we call for siding. It's metal. It's usually you see this on a roof, but I can't speak. They did a phenomenal job with this property. This is going to be the washer. And this is going to be the dryer, or vice versa. So we'll go in here. This first floor has a bathroom and then a bedroom. But this is a common area bathroom with a tub, bedroom, and check out these closet doors. They're barn store closet doors, but it's not a barn door. The style is like it, but it is so freaking cool. And you can see they added the little dark accent wall on this side with the window treatment with the plantation shutters. And you're gonna love the outside when we go outside. Desk area. We already went through there, so we showed that. Oh, I wanted to see this. Okay, so this is part of the garage. It's a small garage. It's a one-car garage, but it has a refrigerator, attic entrance here. Before we go outside, we're gonna go upstairs. Love the coffee station. Now, again, even though it's not this is not for an investment property because you're going to pay retail for this, but as a vacation rental, still has a potential to make a lot of money. Now, check this out. This is the bathroom. It's cool. I don't know how cool it is, to be honest. I mean, I like it. It looks good. But how practical it is, I don't know, because it leads right into the bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. We're gonna go around the outside, but as a vacation rental, you still can make money. But if you follow my channel, you know that I am not a fan of buying a property that doesn't cash flow as a long-term rental. But in this case, it still has the potential to make you money if you were to list it. But here's a little private patio out from this bedroom. Now it has the opening the outside, but with the barn doors, you can close it up to have some privacy. So I'll back up a little bit so you can see it. You can open it up so it can have some, or close it so you can have some privacy. And then during the day, you can open it up. Love these doors, by the way. These barn doors they're the shit. I love it. Now check that out too. That's cloth. It's pretty cool. Anyways, moving on. Here is the master. Again, unique. The way that what they did with the closet doors. If you notice, each room has different style closet doors. First you saw the barn door style closet doors. Now you have these. Again, window treatment throughout. These plantation shutters are awesome. Now here's the bathroom. I love this bathroom, but again, I don't know if I'm really keen on that opening there. Why it would, why they did it, I don't know. Maybe just during the day have more cross ventilation. I have no idea, but I would assume that during most of the time that's going to be closed. It's just really for looks, I guess. But beautiful shower, linen. And again, look at the curtains, right? They have the pipe style curtain rods that I really love. It's a theme in this property. Like that little window, cool stairs. All right, let's go outside because I think you're gonna really love the outside as well. So here's your sitting area. It's got a nice, got a propane fire pit there. Keg for my partiers right there. The outside is nicely maintained. You have your little nice oasis here. And here's the coolest part over here. It's a big lot, so you got a lot of property. Again, this is a storage room that could be converted to more of an outdoor space. They have it as storage, little gym, workout area. I mean, you can keep it as a gym. There's no AC in here, so in the summers in Florida, this is going to get really, really hot to work out in. But I would convert it to like an outdoor area or something different, or add some AC to keep it as a gym. But check this out. Check this out, people. Tell me what you think about this. Love this table. This table is phenomenal, right? And even though I've never been a fan of above ground jacuzzis or swimming pools, etc., this is cool. This is very cool. So you got the steps over here. And you can enjoy a nice, relaxing day in this pool. I'm sure you can imagine that. Again, and this is the outside. Nice coconut palms. The decor is pretty cool. So that is the property. Tell me what you think. And in fact, if you watch this video anytime soon and you want to make an offer, go ahead and do so, even though we're going to be making an offer very soon. See you on the next one.